Are you tired of the limitations of your traditional oven? Say hello to the Elite Gourmet ETO4510B French door convection oven, your new kitchen powerhouse that's ready to revolutionize the way you cook. With its versatile features and spacious interior, this countertop oven offers a convenient and efficient alternative to your conventional oven. Let's explore what makes the Elite Gourmet ETO4510B a game changer in the world of cooking. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Elite Gourmet ETO4510B French door 47.5 quart into your kitchen. Dual door design for ultimate convenience. The French dual door design of the Elite Gourmet oven is a game changer, allowing you to open one or both doors at a time. This innovative feature not only saves precious counter space, but also provides easy access to your dishes. Whether you're cooking a quick snack or preparing a feast for the whole family, the dual door design ensures effortless operation and maximum flexibility. Spacious interior with multi-rack capacity. With a generous 45L capacity, this oven offers ample space to accommodate your culinary creations. Equipped with 4 rack positions, you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously, from pizzas to roasts, without compromising on quality. The interior dimensions allow for versatile cooking options, making it ideal for both small and large gatherings. Convection cooking for perfect results. Experience superior cooking performance with the convection feature of the Elite Gourmet oven. By circulating hot air inside the oven, this technology ensures flakier crusts, deeper flavors, and more tender meats in less time. Whether you're baking, roasting, or toasting, you can rely on the convection feature to deliver consistent and delicious results every time. Independent temperature control for precision cooking. Take control of your cooking with the independent temperature knobs that allow you to adjust the top and bottom heating elements separately. With a temperature range of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize the heat settings to suit your recipe's requirements. Plus, the 60-minute timer with a signal ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection without any guesswork. Sleek design with easy cleanup. Elevate your kitchen aesthetics with the stainless steel door handle, frame, and panel of the Elite Gourmet oven. Not only does it add style and elegance to your countertop, but it also offers durability and longevity. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the slide-out crumb and grease tray, making maintenance hassle-free and convenient. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet ETO4510B French door convection oven is a must-have appliance for any kitchen. Its dual-door design, spacious interior, convection cooking, and independent temperature control offer unparalleled versatility and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this countertop oven will revolutionize the way you prepare meals. Upgrade your cooking experience today with Elite Gourmet. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.